sustain the E for at least 3 seconds, which is longer than you think it is. He, she, we, sweethearts, T-shirt, sleeves, jeans, reading, Argentina, trees, green, feet, sleep, meat, cheese. Repeat, sustaining the E for 1 second. He, she, we, sweethearts, T-shirt, sleeves, jeans, reading, Argentina, trees, green, feet, sleep, meat, cheese. Yawn, take a breath, relax. Repeat the list again, sustaining the E just long enough to feel the vibration. He, she, we, sweetheart, T-shirt, sleeves, jeans, reading, Argentina, trees, green, feet, sleep, meat, cheese. Stage 1. Feel, heat, teach, peace, seize, priests, breathe, deeply. Stage 2. Feel, heat, teach, peace, seize, priests, breathe, deeply. Stage 3. Feel, heat, teach, peace, seize, priests, breathe, deeply. Stage 1. Weekly, freeze, devious, allegiance, these, 3, lethal, free. Stage 2. Weekly, freeze, devious, allegiance, these, 3, lethal, free. Stage 3. Weekly, freeze, devious, allegiance, these, 3, lethal, free. The E sentences. Sustain the E for 3 seconds. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. The second time through the same sentence, sustain the E for 1 second. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. And now just long enough to feel the vibration. We, sweethearts, are reading about Argentina. The next sentence. Stage 1 for 3 seconds. He wore jeans and a T-shirt with short sleeves. Stage 2. Sustain the E for 1 second. He wore jeans and a T-shirt with short sleeves. Stage 3. Sustain the E just long enough to feel vibration. He wore jeans and a T-shirt with short sleeves. Tonal action both uses and creates energy, but without effort. Let's take a few seconds now to stretch again. All right. The whole body stretch forward. Stage 1. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep. Stage 2. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep. Stage 3. Lying under a green tree, eating meat and cheese, his feet fell asleep. Stage 1. Teach these 3 priests to breathe deeply and feel heat before they freeze. Stage 2. Teach these 3 priests to breathe deeply and feel heat before they freeze. Stage 3. Teach these 3 priests to breathe deeply and feel heat before they freeze. Stage 1. Weekly, we seize lethal weapons from the devious allegiance to maintain the peace and remain free. Stage 2. Weekly, we seize lethal weapons from the devious allegiance to maintain the peace and remain free. Stage 3. Weekly, we seize lethal weapons from the devious allegiance to maintain the peace and remain free.
ZELDA English, giỏi tiếng Anh, tấm hộ chiếu toàn cầu.